Adwa diocese ya Embu mwe wakwo Muheria ringi tokumieni Yesu Kristo Your Excellency the Apostolic Nuncio, who is the representative of the Holy Father and who is a delegate of Pope Francis in today's ordination of our new Bishop-elect Peter Kimani. Your Excellency, President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Your Excellency, our Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki. Our dear Governor, Governor Cicely Mbarire. Your Graces, your Lordships, our dear Mother to Bishop Peter Kimani, our dear priests, religious men and women,